Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the Tidal shell ergonomic chair in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event, there is a battle pass like this, and then in here you can get any cool rewards. One of them is this Tidal shell ergonomic chair. In here you can just get the furniture recipe first when you reach level 12 like this, so make sure you already reach this level. You can just level up your level by collect the fashion wave points. This one you can get these fashion wave points from the fashion wave catalog that you can complete all the quests on here, the weekly quests over here, and then you can also get the points from these collections points over here. You can see it, and then you can also get the fashion wave points at the daily quest or resident quest. And then after you reach level 12, you will automatically unlock this recipe, and the recipe will be added to your workbench. So just go to your workbench, this one, and then just choose the recipe, this recipe, and then in here you need to complete the materials. You need ore, and then bronze, and then pearl oyster material pack, and then adjust the amount, and then just tap craft like this, and tap hold to continue. And just like that, you will successfully unlock this Tidal seashell ergonomic chair. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.